Welcome to our top 5 best HP laptops video. In this video, we will be showcasing the top 5 best HP laptops currently on the market. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking for a new laptop, these HP laptops are sure to impress. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into our top 5 picks. HP ZBook. The HP ZBook is a high-performance laptop designed for professionals in demanding fields such as engineering, design, and media production. It features powerful processors, high-quality graphics cards, and ample storage and memory to handle heavy workloads and multitasking. The ZBook also has a durable design with a military-grade chassis and long battery life, making it ideal for on-the-go work. It also has a variety of connectivity options, including USB-C, HDMI, and Thunderbolt 3 ports, allowing users to easily connect to external displays and peripherals. Overall, the HP ZBook is a reliable and powerful choice for professionals who need a laptop that can keep up with their demanding workloads. HP EliteBook. The HP EliteBook is a high-performance laptop designed for business professionals and power users. It boasts a sleek and slim design, with a durable and robust build quality that can withstand the rigors of frequent travel. Under the hood, the EliteBook is powered by Intel Core i7 processors, which provide fast and efficient performance for tasks such as running multiple applications simultaneously, editing video or audio, and handling data-intensive workloads. It also comes equipped with plenty of RAM, typically 16 GB or more, which helps to ensure smooth and lag-free multitasking. In terms of storage, the EliteBook is equipped with a solid-state drive, SSD, that offers lightning-fast read and write speeds, as well as high data transfer rates. This makes it ideal for tasks such as transferring large files or accessing data-intensive applications quickly. The EliteBook also features a high-resolution display, typically Full HD or higher, which provides crisp and clear visuals for tasks such as browsing the web, working with documents, or watching videos. It also comes with a range of connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a variety of ports for connecting external devices. Overall, the HP EliteBook is a top-of-the-line laptop that offers excellent performance and versatility for business professionals and power users. HP Omen. The HP Omen is a high-performance gaming laptop that is designed to handle the demands of the latest games and graphics-intensive applications. It features a powerful processor, high-quality graphics card, and fast storage options to ensure smooth and seamless performance. One of the standout features of the HP Omen is its NVIDIA GeForce graphics card, which delivers exceptional visuals and frame rates for an immersive gaming experience. It also comes equipped with a solid-state drive, SSD, for fast data access and boot times, as well as a high-capacity hard drive for storing large game files and media. The Omen's processor, either an Intel Core i5 or i7, is also top of the line, providing fast and efficient performance for gaming and other demanding tasks. It also comes with plenty of memory, RAM, to allow for smooth multitasking and fast load times. In addition to its impressive hardware, the HP Omen also comes with a variety of software optimizations designed to enhance its performance. These include HP's Omen Command Center, which allows users to customize and optimize their gaming settings, as well as pre-installed game boosters and other performance-enhancing tools. Overall, the HP Omen is a powerful and reliable gaming laptop that is capable of delivering exceptional performance for a wide range of gaming and graphics-intensive applications. HP Envy. The HP Envy is a high-performance laptop designed for demanding users who need a powerful device for work, entertainment, and gaming. It features a fast processor, high-quality graphics card, and plenty of storage and memory to handle even the most demanding tasks. One of the standout features of the HP Envy is its processor. It comes with either an Intel Core i5 or i7, depending on the model you choose, which ensures quick and efficient performance. The graphics card is also top of the line, with options ranging from the NVIDIA GeForce MX 250 to the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650. In terms of storage and memory, the HP Envy comes with a solid-state drive, SSD, and 8GB to 16GB of RAM. This ensures fast boot and load times, as well as smooth multitasking. The laptop also has a long battery life, so you can work or play for hours without needing to stop and recharge. Overall, the HP Envy is a powerful and reliable laptop that can handle a wide range of tasks with ease. Whether you're working on a big project, streaming movies, or playing games, the HP Envy has the performance you need. HP Spectre X360. The HP Spectre X360 is a high-end laptop designed for power users and creative professionals. It features a slim, lightweight design and a 360-degree hinge that allows the display to be rotated and used in various modes, including laptop, tablet, tent, and stand. The Spectre X360 is available with a variety of processor options, including Intel Core i5, i7, and i9 models, as well as AMD Ryzen processors. It also has a range of graphics options, including integrated graphics and dedicated graphics cards from NVIDIA and AMD. The laptop has a 13.3-inch or 15.6-inch Full HD or 4K display, depending on the model, and is equipped with a backlit keyboard and a large touchpad. It also has a variety of connectivity options, including USB-C and Thunderbolt ports, as well as a fingerprint reader for added security. Overall, the HP Spectre X360 is a versatile, high-performance laptop with a sleek design and a range of features that make it suitable for a wide range of users. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. If you're interested in purchasing this product, make sure to check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching.